Do you know the secret to maintaining healthy blood pressure? Well, nature has been hiding it for centuries, and now modern science is finally catching up. In today's video, we're going to reveal what this secret is, and how you can use it to support your cardiovascular health. We've all been told to watch our blood pressure, especially if we're over the age of 60. But what does that actually mean? And how do we keep our blood pressure at healthy levels as we age? Well, the answer lies in understanding the root causes of high blood pressure, which include oxidative stress, inflammation, and impaired blood flow. Fortunately, nature has provided us with a powerful solution, a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to maintain healthy blood pressure. And now modern science is beginning to unlock the secrets of how it works. This natural remedy is a blend of super nutrients and herbs that work together to support optimum blood pressure. And it's all thanks to a company called Bazopril, who've conducted groundbreaking research into the most effective natural remedy for high blood pressure. Bazopril's mission began over 20 years ago when they discovered that a combination of hawthorn, olive leaf, and hibiscus extracts demonstrated a powerful hypotensive effect, helping to lower blood pressure. Since then, they've conducted numerous clinical studies to understand the blood pressure benefits of these extracts, leading to the development of their unique formula. And the results have been truly remarkable. In one study published in the Journal of Hypertension, participants took 80 milligrams of Bazopril's extract daily, which resulted in an average reduction of 13/8 mmHg. That's a significant improvement in blood pressure management. But it's not just about lowering blood pressure. Bacopa also helps to protect the heart and blood vessels from oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the main causes of high blood pressure in the first place. So how does it do this? Well, the formula's unique combination of flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and organic acids work to reduce inflammation and free radical damage throughout the body. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, this natural remedy helps to improve blood flow, making it easier for the heart to pump blood around the body and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of happy customers have already experienced the benefits of this natural remedy for themselves. It's easy to see why. With its natural ingredients, proven effectiveness, and commitment to quality, it is no wonder that so many people are switching to this natural remedy to support their cardiovascular health. If you're looking for a natural way to support your cardiovascular health and maintain healthy blood pressure levels, look no further than this natural remedy from Bazopril. Give it a try today and experience the difference it can make in your life. And remember, healthy blood pressure is just the beginning. A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management can help you get the most out of this natural remedy and support your overall well-being. So take the first step towards a healthier heart today with this natural remedy from Bazopril.